The bill that Ted Cruz put forward to eliminate the application of the broker-dealer rules onto DeFi players, and that was all approved by Congress. Now that it's been rescinded, the IRS is forbidden from writing any rules similar to that in the future. They cannot try to write more regulations to bypass Congress again, and they're actually forbidden from doing it. So there are broker-dealer regulations for centralized exchanges, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini. But for decentralized players, they are in the safe now for some time to come.